So in this project, what we do is essentially to ask to what extent peer participation increase individual take-up. We're going to have a very perhaps narrow definition of peer, but it's one that we could come up with and that we can produce in the data. Is essentially a geographic neighbor. Is essentially to calculate effective cutoffs, which are estimated using essentially structural break models that you may be familiar with from time series. So the challenge here is to distinguish between common and correlated shocks and what in this literature is known as endogenous effect, which is the coefficient on the participation in SUF by my neighbors.
We're going to estimate the cost to plants of compliance with the EPA's current dynamic enforcement approach. And we're going to consider industrial facilities that were covered by the Clean Air Act and amendments. So air pollution is what we're looking at in the United States. The probability of plant choosing investment is an indicator for compliance being 0, and then the standard logit formulas for that.
With all the impressive presentations and people in this room, I'm trusting in the brain power in this room to come up with some way to turn this into something useful about structural estimation. We may be able to improve efficiency by using covariates that help to predict the outcome. This actually gets you exactly that average treatment effect with the right standard error.